Oh, I don't know whether you can see me, you will in a minute. Be a good test of the sound as well. I'm Smithy, this is a Kontiki, and we're going to get a parcel. Let's go and get it. I love these lockers, free delivery. You can't beat that. I'll leave my lights on and I can see. Where's my phone? Alright, let's go get a parcel. And I'll show it you this time, I won't make you wait till the next video. How are you doing? Right, we need the scanner thing. Let's put you where you can see what we're doing. There we go. Let's go and get a parcel. Oh. Oh, here we go. Only one in, yeah. I'll close it for you. Turn the phone off. How easy is that? And free delivery. Great. Let's get in the van, it's freezing. My cards have gone all over the place. I just wanted to drive the van out and give it a good run. So anyway, we had a parcel to pick up, so that's what we've done. So I did say we would open it and show you what it is. I love getting parcels. Now this, I'll show you what it's for and I'll show you why I bought it. I just thought, I've never done a vlog like this before. I've always been doing something, like cooking or, you know, out. So I just thought I'd just sort of give you a little update as to what we're doing. Oh, that must be to stick it. Oh, it's a sticker. You can just stick it on. That's good. And it has brackets, so you can do it both ways. Anyway, Lawrence, who's did a tour of his van, he's going to fit this for me. It is actually an LED strip light, right? As you know, I've replaced every bulb in the van with LED, but I've got this, I'll show you. Let me just turn you around. Just under here, can you see that light now? There. That's a very old LED light, right? I'll just turn it off. Well, hope you can see me alright. I had the same thing under here. Now I've actually got these. You know, the just only for emergencies then. You can either touch it or it's remote control. So I'll take the other piece off. That is to go up there, right? Because there is a switch for one there, and there was one of them there, and it just started hanging off. So I actually took it off, snipped the wires, and I taped them up. But rather than me try electrics, which I'm no good at, Lawrence said he'll do it for me. So I'm going to have that there, and if that works alright, then I'll replace that one with one of these. I think it was £12 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, you can have a look and, you know, see yourself if you're interested in it like that. But I'm going to replace that one as well, because obviously they're just more modern and less energy. Well, that's the theory. So it's got, oh I see, it's just push on and off there. It's a button there, look, just push on and off. So that'd be great, so that'll be up there. And then just push it on and off. And the good thing with having it there, rather than these big lights, if we're in bed here, it's just a case of either use these lights, right, or just reach up there and put this on. You know, if we're reading or anything like that. So that's the theory behind that. So we've either got, you can either stick it on or use these things, or use both. I don't know. So we'll see. I'll let Lawrence decide how he wants to put it up. I'd prefer it with the metal brackets, and it looks like it's only one hole in it, so it'll be one screw in each. So that's what we've got. So when Lawrence puts that up, he can't at the minute, obviously we're all locked down, you're not allowed to meet and all this stuff. So when that's all over, I'll ask him to put it up for me. He did say he would, I have asked him. So that can go, put it in my drawer, yeah. That's in my drawer. Oh, my nose is still running. So they have a thing at Morrison's, don't they, for cardboard. I'll put that in the thing at Morrison's. Take my address off. Oh, it didn't have the address on. Oh, that's alright, I got it to a locker, didn't I? I mean, that wouldn't have gone through your letterbox anyway, would it? So they'd have had to get your neighbours or whatever. It's a big box for a little thing, isn't it? Right, so I just wanted to give you a little update as to what we're doing. I'm taking the van for a good run. I might go on the motorway, but the thing is, I've got to come off at Carnforth. So it's only like a 2.5 mile stretch of motorway I can go on. I could go south, but I don't want to go south. I'd have to go to Garstang or Preston. But if I got to Carnforth, I could turn around the motorway and then come back. Any further than Carnforth, I'd be into Cumbria. And I told you I was on the Cumbria-Lancashire border. And I'm in tier 3, so I'm not allowed into Cumbria. I don't know whether they pull you up. Well, I don't know what they do because I haven't been. But I'll tell you what we've also been doing. Don't forget, we've got the trail cam. So we're looking for spots to put the trail cam. Now, where I take the dogs for a walk, I took her for a walk the other night in van. I drove there, and it's you know, a park and ride thing, but it has a fence all the way around it, and they can't get out. So there's only one way in and one way out, and it's great for dogs walking about. And I thought, oh, I'll set that up. There was a lot of trees right outside. I thought, right, I'll stick it there. And do you know what? I tried the batteries in every different direction going. I had no glasses to see which way the batteries went, so I couldn't put them in. I took them out. You know, because everything electrical, I have a habit of taking batteries out so they never leak. So it meant that when I put them in, I couldn't see whether it were working or not. So I'll get that sorted and we'll get some more good footage, see what's around, and we'll do that. Anyway, hey, I hope you like that cooking. I hope you've had a go. You'll like that, it was beautiful. Just use the cheese that you like, and smoky bacon. Oh, you can't beat smoky bacon. But I have that light, you know. I got it from Screwfix Direct, 20 quid. Just to brighten things up a bit if it's a bit dark. The staff outside Morrison's, you know, what, looking at me. What's he doing? Parked the van up, got a big camera out with tripod and all that, drove off and they're looking at it. I thought, it's alright, you work there, you're not going to bother it. Drove around the thing and then came back for it. And then got a parcel out, talking to somebody on a... Where's my sound gone? It's here. I was talking to a fluffy thing on my coat. It's one of them things, who cares? Anyway, so I just thought I'd show you what we're doing, and we're just mucking about really, but I just want to get the van running. I did put a post on, well, a few van sites on Facebook about, I'm toying with the idea, right, of getting a diesel heater, an all-in-one diesel heater, and I have a box, an ammo box if you will, you know, an ex-army ammo box. If I put that on the bike rack with a diesel heater in it and a pipe from the diesel underneath coming into the van, right, this was the theory, and then on the top of the ammo box either a solar panel to charge the leisure battery that's going to run it, so it's totally separate from the van, or if we were parked up on a site, cold in here, stick a pole in the ground near the van and have a wind turbine going. But I've looked into things a bit more in depth, right? Now I use safe fill gas. So what I don't want to do is run out of electricity. We're not getting a lot of sun at the minute, and the van ran out of electricity, believe it or not. Not yesterday, the day before. I tried to... What was I doing? I was going to make a video in the van of doing something, I can't remember what it was, but anyway, I put the 2 spotlights on and the little ones went off. So I realised then that there wasn't enough solar in the van. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to run a lead from the house to the van and charge it up. And just give it a good charge all day. But what I might do instead of all that other stuff, because I do have a safe fill gas bottle, I might just go for a cheap generator. Just get a generator and run that, and that'll power the van up wherever I am. If it ever getting low on power or we're not getting enough sunshine, generator is, I think, is the way to go. I'm going to have a look. I'm sure you can get one for about 130 quid, something like that. So after Christmas, see what's going on, and that's what I might be purchasing. So forget the old all-in-one diesel heater and in an ammo box and solar power on. These are all these mad things that come into my head. I think of them all the time, you know. All things I can do. Anyway, in the new year we are going metal detecting, gold panning and everything else. So anyway, and magnet fishing, we not forgot that. The canal at Lancaster, they've drained it. I should have gone and had a look really and see what there was. But anyway, so I think I've got one more video coming up before Christmas. I thought I'd just give you a little vlog, show you what's going on and what's going on in my head. And get out of Susie's there, because she's just finished work. She wanted to watch telly. We've had a Chinese. My mum's had a tea. So there you go. Hey, get that food cooked. And hey, I'm Smithy. This is a Kontiki. Stay safe, be lucky, and I'll definitely see you again. And be happy and merry. And I'll see you just before Christmas, because we've got a video to do. Right, see you soon.